Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Techie Teddy here with another product review. Today I will be unboxing, setting up, and reviewing the LB1 smart bulb from the makers over at Koogeek. If you're in the market for a budget smart bulb, this one is for you. At just $70 for a 2-pack, the Koogeek smart bulbs are an excellent addition for your smart home needs. For those of you who haven't done so already, pound that subscribe button so you can never miss another product review. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button and give your feedback in the comments section below. These smart bulbs are incredibly fast to set up, and they will give you over 16 million colors with just the tap of a button. Just like the Koogeek P1 smart plug, the smart bulbs are easy to connect to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and don't need a hub or bridge. The bulb works great with Apple HomeKit and supports Siri voice control, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant. Create timers or set rules for your bulbs to turn on or off at a certain time of day, or when you might be leaving or entering the house. The sky is the limit when it comes to home automation with these smart bulbs. Now let's go ahead and take out the smart bulb. You'll notice as soon as you get this thing in your hands, it's heavier than you imagine. This thing weighs just shy of 2.5 pounds and seems to be built very well. As you see here, the hardware has a nice glossy finish to it and shines nicely in the lighting. Go ahead and click the plus at the top right of the screen. We will then select Add Accessory and scan the 8-digit code located inside the box. I apologize for the glare on my screen here. You'll see the smart bulb listed on the Add Accessory screen. Select the device and it will bring you to the next screen. When it prompts you to add the accessory to the network, select Allow. Allow the device to connect and pair with your network. This might take a few minutes. I sped up the video here for the sake of time. You'll then see Adding Koogeek LB1 followed by a blue checkmark. On the next screen, the Home app will allow you to rename the device. I renamed mine to Night Table since that's where I'll be installing it. Select which room the device is located in from the scroll menu, and lastly, feel free to change the icon. Once you have completed these steps, select Next. If you would like, the Home app will suggest home scenes that you can instantly add to the smart bulb. Select Done and that's it, you're paired. You can click the square to toggle the bulb on and off, or force press to bring up the brightness bar and color wheel options. This Koogeek bulb has over 16 million color variations, so feel free to get creative. As you can see from this video, it's extremely easy to set up the Koogeek smart bulb. That's why I believe this budget smart bulb is a must-have for any smart home looking to intensify the color variation for any given room and to add another layer of home automation and smart home functionality. I love smart devices, and providing review videos of some of the best smart home tech is something that I take great pride in. Do yourself a favor and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. You'll see relevant content to my video reviews as well as behind the scene footage. And if you're lucky, I'll be giving away some of these devices to one lucky fan who follows me across social and subscribes to my channel. For now, that's all. Thanks for stopping by. Techie Teddy out.